In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add breadcrumbs navigation in WordPress. Breadcrumbs are a fantastic way to enhance your website's navigation and improve user experience by showing visitors exactly where they are on your site. Let's dive in and make your WordPress site even more user-friendly by adding this intuitive navigation feature. First off, we'll need to get the right tool for the job, which is the all-in-one SEO plugin. If you haven't already installed it, head over to your WordPress dashboard, click on Plugins, and then Add New. In the search box, type All-in-One SEO, and once you find it, click Install Now. After it's installed, make sure to activate it. This plugin is not only great for managing your site's SEO, but also offers robust features for adding breadcrumbs. Once the all-in-one SEO plugin is installed and running, it's time to enable the breadcrumbs feature. To do this, navigate to the all-in-one SEO settings from your WordPress admin panel. You'll find this on the left side menu under the name All-in-one SEO. Click on it and locate the general settings. In this section, there should be a tab or a section specifically for breadcrumbs. Here, you need to toggle the Enable Breadcrumbs option to the On position. This action activates breadcrumbs on your site, making them ready for customization. Now, when it comes to displaying these breadcrumbs, you have a few options to choose from. You can use a shortcode, add a widget, or insert PHP code directly into your theme files. Each method suits different levels of comfort with WordPress. If you prefer simplicity and ease, using a shortcode or widget is the way to go. Simply insert the shortcode into any page or post where you want breadcrumbs to appear, or drag the widget into a sidebar area. For those of you who enjoy more control and don't mind getting your hands a bit dirty with code, adding PHP code directly into your theme's functions.pp file might be the more robust solution. With your display method chosen, the next step involves customizing how your breadcrumbs will look. You can select a separator to match your site's style, whether it's a slash, a greater than sign, or any other symbol you prefer. You can also set up custom labels for different breadcrumb links, such as home or blog. These small tweaks ensure that your breadcrumbs are not only functional, but also seamlessly integrated into your site's design. After all the configurations and customizations are done, don't forget to click Save Changes. This is crucial for ensuring that all your breadcrumb settings are applied successfully. And there you have it. Your WordPress site now boasts a user-friendly breadcrumb navigation that enhances your visitors' experience. Thank you for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on enhancing your WordPress skills.